Carbon dioxide is treated as a warning sign. Runaway unstable. Terminal, but carbon dioxide does not end planets, it builds them. Carbon dioxide is heavy, heavier than nitrogen, heavier than oxygen. As volcanic outgassing continues, CO2 settles beneath sulfur layers. It becomes the structural bulk of the atmosphere. Pressure is not destructive by default. Pressure accelerates chemistry. High pressure allows bond formation, molecular complexity, and thermal retention. This is how prebiotic systems form. Every plant on Earth is built from carbon dioxide. CO2 is not waste, it is raw material. Given the right organisms, Venus's atmosphere could support enormous biomass. Oxygen does not appear first. Carbon cycles appear first. Venus is earlier in the sequence, not behind but before. A planet cannot host life without energy density. Carbon dioxide provides it. Venus is not suffocating, it is building pressure.